Alright, welcome back to my channel, the Sky Vision FX channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share this channel. We want to draw in as many people as possible, and let us learn together and make some pips. Okay, let's see what the daily time frame is saying. Alright, so we said the pound USD has been moving sideways in the last few days. Okay, so because it's moving sideways, my perspective is that I'll be looking for tops and bottoms to trade off of them. So when it gets to this top, for instance, I'll be looking to short, and when it gets to this bottom, I'll be looking to buy until it's in a trend. When it's in a trend like this, that I'll be looking for pullbacks and then continue in that trend. But we'll continue in this format until it breaks out on either of those levels. It breaks out, and then we'll start trading the trend again. All right, so let's mark our levels and see what we have. So yesterday, the highest high it did was this level, and the lowest low was this. So this is what we'll be looking at. We can say actually it's a zone. So we can see that there's a bit of the day before, the previous day, there were some highs there. So we can mark it as a zone. So if it breaks that level, the next level we'll be looking at is this level up here. And if it breaks that level, the next level we'll be looking at is the top here. The same thing for the lower parts. If it breaks this level, the next level we'll be looking at is somewhere at the bottom here, or at the wick, depending on what you want. But I prefer this because it's also, you see, this level here also touches this level. The more touches I have, the better I like it that way. All right, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we'll be looking for price to hit this level and possibly come down. We can see that look at this, for example. Now look at these candles. They are very strong, they are very bullish in their movement. But look at these candles, they are not that strong, which shows that the sellers are actually in the market. They're just waiting for it to enter that particular zone, to enter a zone, so that they can then mark off that zone and then sell off. Okay, so the bulls are not that bullish, and the bears are just waiting for the optimum level for them to enter. Okay, so what we'll also do again today is to put trading the 4-hour time frame. That means we're going to put a pending order at this level, because we won't be at our charts. We're not looking at our charts all day if we're trading the 4-hour time frame. For today, I'll also go down to the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame, which is where I usually trade off from. We'll see what it looks like. I want to also draw a trend line. I don't use it that much, but I just want to draw it. Let's see what it looks like. So we have price come up. It came all the way down yesterday and did not close. It still closed within, so this is still valid for me. So what I'll be looking for is either, if price will come down first to this level, then this will be my target up here, or if price does go up here, I'll then sell to this 50 level or to the 00 level. That's my profit target now. Or if I then see another thing I anticipate is, if I get a very bullish close, if this candle closes very bullish like this, closes, so it breaks above, close above, then I'll be looking for a retracement to enter and then go to this next level, to 00 level. So remember, these are psychological levels, and we'll see that even better on the 15 minutes time frame when we go there now. So let's even go to that 15 minutes time frame. Let's see what happened yesterday. Okay, so yesterday price came all the way, went up, down, and then came up to this level. That same level where we took our entry yesterday, we had the pending order here on the 4 hours time frame. But look at what it did. It came up here, went down, then came back up to retest it before going down. All right. So I'm looking at the way we trade. We said we're looking for, if it's moving up, we're looking for, or let me use a different color candle. Maybe that would be better for us. So we're looking for higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So and the same way, looking for lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, like that. So look at, it did a high there. Okay, this was a high, and then what happened next? Price moved down, but even in moving down, what did it do? It gave us a nice bearish engulfing candle on the 15 minutes chart. So this gives us an indication that at least price should move down a bit. Okay, and it did that, and then retraced and gave us what? A lower high. Okay, so this gives us, so from this level here, it gives us an indication that price is likely to move down even further. Okay, so by the close of that candle, we see that price closed just down there after moving all the way up. So there is a lot of demand, sell order here at this level, and then price broke to the lower side. Okay, so when I saw this, I thought, okay, price is likely to come down, and then I started watching it, and I wasn't here when it went. When I saw this, I was interested in seeing how price will move, and then I placed a sell entry, I think somewhere here, and I caught some of this move here. Okay, so if you don't trade the 15 minutes time frame, that's fine. If you trade the higher time frames, that's also fine. What we'll do is just stick to your process, stick to that process, and say on that particular time frame where you're trading, what do you expect? So a summary is that on our 4 hour time frame, we're expecting price, once it comes to this level, we're expecting to see a turn either to the 50 or back down to the 00. Or the other thing it could do is to break below, break above, close above, and then once that candle closes that way, we'll look for a retracement to go or to continue to the 00 level, or even to the higher levels up here. Let's subscribe, like, share, and comment on the videos.